Hi guys, Michael Weldon here. Have I got a delicious recipe for you? We're making a custard-based crumble. So this is our custard and blueberry crumble. It's a really fun twist on your classic crumble. And it's all about these beautiful Eureka blueberries, the really massive, bright blue, juicy blueberries that you can find at Coles. 10 cents from every packet of these blueberries sold will go towards Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation and their goal to help kids make better food choices at home. So what a great time to eat blueberries. That's all the way up to $75,000. So it's a great thing to support, and this recipe is a great recipe to cook. The first thing we need to do is make our custard. I love packet custard mix. You can make a classic anglaise with your eggs and your cream, but we're just gonna use custard powder and some milk. It's super simple, and this is just the Coles custard powder. 1/4 cup of that, 1/4 cup of sugar, brown sugar, caster sugar, whatever you've got will work. And then just add a little splash of milk in as well. And now I'm just going to mix this together till we've got a little bit of a paste, and just till all the little flakes of the custard powder have been mixed into that liquid. And now we're going to put the heat on and start pouring in our milk. Just sort of gently pour it in. You don't have to worry too much because we're going to add heat to help it cook out. Now we can start stirring our custard on the pot. So you can see our custard has thickened up to that nice custardy consistency. Turn our heat off, and to cool our custard down, we're going to pour it straight into our baking dish. So you want a dish that you can bake the crumble in, and you want to fill it up about halfway, because then we're going to fill the rest with our blueberries. So they can go straight in as well. I get some around the side, so you get some blueberries popping up the side, and then the rest sort of go in the middle. While that cools down, just make a really quick crumble. So got sugar, flour, and butter in the mix, and that butter's nice and cold, so that when you start to rub the butter together with the other ingredients, you get those nice little balls that become the lovely crunchy bits on your crumble. And I've just got some rolled oats, so just rolled oats and just some diced up macadamias. Again, add whatever nut you like. And then with your hands, just start rubbing the butter together with all the dry ingredients. Great thing to do with the kids if you want to get the kids cooking at home. Just really carefully and very lightly drop crumble over the top. I like a fair bit of crumble, and I like to go right to the edge, and then you have little bits of the custard and the blueberry pop up the sides. Pretty simple, and that's ready to go. You don't have to worry about cooling down the custard. That's fine. Just get this straight into a 180-degree oven and cook it until the top goes nice and golden, a little bit crunchy, and you start seeing a bit of the blueberry and a bit of the custard popping up the side. And have a look at that. That is our blueberry and custard crumble starring our wonderful Eureka blueberries, which we know are delicious. They're great for us, but also they're really good to buy the next month because they support the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation, which we love. So get cooking this crumble, get buying lots of blueberries, and guys, happy eating.